Regal Seagull here, and today I want to demonstrate how to list a Funko Pop using the new Whatnot app. Whatnot is a recently new app that is a community of collectors buying and selling from each other. And they don't just do Funko products, they do Pokemon cards, sports cards, and fig pin. And hopefully they continue to grow. Pull up my Whatnot page here. I pull up the app and click the little search icon, the magnifying glass. I press the blue scan button and I can just scan the barcode here of the figure that I want to list. The results come up. I choose which one that I have. Now this currently says no data, and it has options to sell, add to your want list, or put that you have it. I'm going to click the sell button in blue. Now lighting is important. You want photos to show the figure. It wants a picture of the front. Then it wants a picture of the left side, the back side, the right side, the bottom, and lastly, the top. It gives you also options to add any damage that is on the box or the figure. Once you have taken your photos, you press complete. It uploads. Now, it's nice that this is all in app, and it pretty much does everything for you. You can scroll through your photos to see if you maybe need to retake them or not. And you want to choose the condition. I'm choosing near mint for this figure. Now up here in blue, you can click on pricing info. When I do that for this figure, it says no data available. It tells me what it last sold for and how many are currently listed. Now you want to take into account shipping and their commission, which of all the platforms that I have used, Whatnot has the lowest shipping and the lowest commission, which is also very nice. Scroll down to listing price, and you can choose what you want to list it for. I'm going to say 13. Maybe someone will make me an offer on it. Press done. And here is the breakdown. The listing price, the shipping, their commission. So if this sells for 13, I should make $9.39 off this figure. Click the black bar, create listing, and well, that got approved immediately. So he got immediately approved. Sometimes when you list using this app, it does take a couple of hours. I've never had longer than maybe 6 hours of a wait when it comes to approval. Well, I have him listed now. It is important that once you make a sale, that you box it and ship it within 2 days. That is their turnaround. They ship using the post office, and they do all their transactions through PayPal. I've had fairly good success with Whatnot. I enjoy the app. I've also bought pops off Whatnot that I haven't been able to find in store or on other platforms. What's also nice about Whatnot is if you have a want list, you can scroll through and choose pops that you want to add to your collection, and other sellers sees that this item is wanted and will list it. You get a notification of when it gets listed. I really do enjoy this app and encourage other Funko buyers and sellers to check it out if you haven't already.